Hello and welcome to EventsDon. EventsDon is here to make your events and program planning easy and efficient. You can track attendance during your events, register RSVP for your programs, send SMS messages to your attendees, distribute program brochures digitally, among others. To enjoy all these benefits and more, click on the sign in on the top right corner. A page pops up. If you don't have an account yet, you click on don't have an account yet to register. To register, you enter your full name, you follow by your email address. You create a password of your choice, and then you confirm the password. Finally, you enter your preferred phone number where you can receive messages from EventsDon. When all the details are done, you click on register. When you click on register, an email is automatically sent to the email address you use for your registration. So you go to your email, you locate the message from EventsDon, and you click on verify your account. You come back to the EventsDon page and you click on request OTP. After clicking on request OTP, a message is automatically sent to the phone number you use. Go to your text messages, locate the message, and find the code which is attached and enter in the space provided above. You click on verify OTP. Voila, you are on EventsDon. Enjoy your stay.